mother didn't wear makeup and still doesn't wear makeup. My grandmother always wore makeup. Whenever we went anywhere, I'd say, come on, let's go. And she'd say, darling, I just have to put my face on. I really didn't want that pressure. I still would not want that pressure of having to be something that isn't natural. So it is much easier just to get out of bed, get dressed and walk out of the house. I chose to dye my hair to fight the age, the attitude that people have to you. I was definitely encouraged by my friends not to go grey. When I started my grey journey, I did feel invisible. I felt old and unsure of my future. I then got this amazing job opportunity to model for the first time. It wasn't even on my radar. As soon as they took me on for this fabulous job, a campaign in British Vogue, I suddenly thought, hang on a minute, this is me, I'm grey, and it gave me a whole new perspective. I now walk into the room proud. I'm probably the only grey person in the room, and people do look at me. I do not blow dry my hair. I let it dry naturally. I always have, actually. It's another one of those upkeep things that I take the easy option of letting my hair dry naturally. I use a purple shampoo once a week and a purple conditioner. Don't leave it on for more than 5 minutes though, although otherwise you will have purple hair. I use apple cider vinegar on my face as a cleanser, and I use vitamin C serum at night time. I have had PRP, which is taking the plasma from your blood and putting it into your face. It has plumped it up a little bit. I think my complexion is quite good, so I may do that again this month. During the week, I'm very strict with myself. No sugar and very few carbs. If you run slowly, you don't need carbs as much, and I like to run slowly. I like to run long and slow. And then at the weekend, I'll eat a bit of chocolate or eat crisps, pretty much anything I want, but very small quantities. That is key, I think, to losing weight. Small quantities, eat what you want, but be strict about it. Truly believe that being happy does show. If you're happy inside, it does give you a bright light in your eyes, which very often people say that I have in my photographs, which is a huge compliment. There are days when I'm not happy. I do have a medical depression. I take pills for it, and I call them my happy pills. I'm not happy every day though. No, I don't know that anybody is happy every day, but I've learned that if I'm having a down day and I just want to be inside and not answer the phone, not talk to anyone, I write down 10 things that I'm grateful for and try to listen to an audiobook about being positive. They have taught me to believe that I'm a Viking and not a victim. I love my work though, so when I'm at work, I am happy. Every experience is different, and I have no idea who I'm working for half the time or what I'm wearing, but I love every bit of it, and that truly makes me happy. I found my passion in life. This is Caroline Labouchere on Utopia 0 Miles.